What's up YouTube? As you can see from the title of this video, how to sell size 18s. You know what this video is about. Step 1, go to the Nike outlet, find a size 18 you can sell on StockX. Buy it and sell it. Here's a pair of Kyrie 5s, White Denim. I sold these on eBay, believe it or not. Pretty nice shoe. If you're interested in the shoe, check out the affiliate marketing link to buy them on StockX. Pretty awesome shoes. Check out the smiley face. And all this paint speckle all over the place. I'm going to throw them on foot here in a second and you can see how they look. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.